Chandrayan-2 was launched in July of 2019 and became a critical component of the Indian Space Research Organization's mission to explore the Moon's surface. The spacecraft was equipped with several instruments, including a radar mapping instrument called Chandra's Orbiter High-Resolution Imaging System, CHIS, and a lander called Vikram, along with a lunar rover called Pragyan. The mission's goal was to study mineral composition, surface morphology, subsurface structure, and exosphere of the Moon. Chandrayan-3 is the next step in India's mission to explore the Moon. It is a much more ambitious mission, with plans to land a spacecraft on the South Pole-Aitken Basin on the far side of the Moon. This mission will be the first ever to land human assets on the far side of the Moon. The spacecraft will be equipped with a suite of instruments, including an improved version of the CHIS radar mapper and an extended range of sensors for surface and subsurface morphology. The main difference between Chandrayan-2 and Chandrayan-3 is the scope of their missions. Chandrayan-2 was a mission primarily focused on studying the surface of the Moon, while Chandrayan-3 is a mission to land a spacecraft on a completely different part of the Moon. Chandrayan-2 also had a lunar rover, while Chandrayan-3 does not. Lastly, Chandrayan-3 will be equipped with a suite of improved instruments and sensors to study surface and subsurface morphology. Chandrayan-2 and 3 both have the potential to revolutionize our understanding of the Moon. Chandrayan-2 will allow researchers to create detailed 3D images of the lunar surface, giving insight into mineral composition and surface morphology. Chandrayan-3, on the other hand, will be the first ever mission to land human assets on the far side of the Moon, unlocking new areas of study and exploration. Both missions will set the stage for further human exploration of the Moon. The Chandrayan missions are ambitious and come with their own unique set of challenges. For instance, the mission to the far side of the Moon in Chandrayan-3 poses many logistical challenges due to the lack of direct communication between Earth and that part of the Moon. Additionally, the mission to the South Pole-Aitken Basin also requires a great deal of precision, as any slight misalignment during landing could have disastrous consequences. The Chandrayan missions are just the beginning of India's mission to explore and understand the Moon. The success of these missions has opened the door to a new era of exploration and understanding, and with each successive mission, India should come closer and closer to unlocking the secrets of the Moon. This is an exciting time for scientific exploration, and India is leading the way.